What's up, peeps? So tonight, doing kind of an old favorite. We're gonna do Philly steak sandwiches tonight.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I mean.
Oh. We got our carne asada. Now, what we also have is got our butter, provolone cheese, onions and peppers, which are not going to be enough, so we got more onions and peppers, and our freshly made hoagie buns. So, with that being said, breaking out the old griddle. But stick around, it'll be pretty amazing.
All right. Ooh, got the little crispy.
it out.
Woo! Look at that.
All right, everybody. It is time. It is time. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
The seasoning from the meat, and it was seasoned with salt and pepper with the peppers and onions and that provolone cheese and everything just coming together. That, my friend, is a good sandwich. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys make your own, man, definitely let us know and check it out. But man, definitely recommended. Your old faithful Philly steak sandwich. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.